Hey, welcome back. This is a really short video on how I made a wall mural out of pine boards. I glued up all the pine boards together, and it's about 73 inches long by about 17 inches tall, and it's going to be placed inside of a shed above the door. So I might show you that later, I might not, I don't know, but anyway, this is how I made it, and I painted it, sketched it, and painted it with a friend of mine, and I thought it was just a fun project and be interested in seeing it. We were working with my friend Nan, and we're drawing a mural on this board here. We're kind of sort of working from this sketch, but these are the Rocky Mountains. We're going to soften those up, so we've got like softer lines for the mountains, like here on the Blue Ridge. Got anything to say, Nan?
Well, we've got a log cabin down here and a bunch of pine trees and a couple of regular deciduous trees. And we're just sort of starting. What are we going to do down here?
I don't know
this
yet.
whole area.
I know. Well, more
Oh,
trees,
we got
I
more
guess.
trees and rocks and a stream. And
Yeah, trying to get a stream. Maybe have a stream come down behind this tree here. Come down here, along here, and then around this, make this a boulder. So that's what we're working on. Nan's drawing in a tree. It's probably mid-range. And we're starting to ink it out in black. And I've done some work over here. But I'm using a heavier pencil for the foreground dominant tree, this deciduous tree. So I think this is our final. Got some color in it, got some texture in it. That's our final, I think.
how's that?
That's perfect.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is kind of nice.
Real nice touch of blue in the sky there.
Now, do you want
Very
it
subtle.
any other place subtle like?
So I put a couple of coats of clear spray on this first because I didn't want to paint over it with my polyurethane and have it smear. I didn't know if it would or not. So I secured the paint with the spray and then went over the top with polyurethane. So it's a little bit more pop to it. It adds more contrast, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Happy with it.